If you Google data engineering roadmap for 2020 or 2021, you will probably likely find this picture. And you will immediately notice that there are a myriad of skills that supposedly are required for people who want to become a data engineer. Everything from learning about batch ETLs versus streaming, learning about DevOps, as well as APIs, and they even have some machine learning at the very bottom of this picture, which at the end of the day, there's probably over a decade worth of learning in this one image. And if you're looking for a clear data engineering roadmap for how to go from nothing to something in terms of your skill set, this is overwhelming. There are way too many things, and honestly, you're just going to drown if you try to learn all of these things at once. Now, just for a little comic relief, I also happened to Google data engineering tools just to kind of show you even more so how many things there are to quote unquote learn in the data engineering space. And this is the picture I came up with. Yes, I'm aware you can't read that. I can't read that.